Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to get your direct messages in TikTok, or how to see your direct messages in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first, and that's here. Now to see your direct messages, you must go to the inbox by tapping on the inbox button, which is on the bottom of your phone. Let's tap on the inbox, and these are all activities on your TikTok account. And if you want to go to your inbox, you can see the airplane icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and now these are all the direct messages over here. If you want to message anybody, or if you want to be messaged by anybody, everybody will message you over here. And there guys, getting to your inbox in or direct seeing your direct messages in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.